reported its worst drone night of 2026. Overnight into Friday, June 26th, Ukraine launched 660 drones across 12 Russian regions, the largest single-night barrage this year, confirmed by Russia's own defense ministry. Dozens flew directly toward Moscow, shutting down flight operations at 3 airports for hours. But the most alarming target was the Azot chemical plant in Tula Oblast, 125 miles south of Moscow, struck for the second time in 2 weeks. Ukrainian President Zelensky has publicly identified this facility as critical to Russia's explosives and ammunition production. Romania, a NATO member sharing a border with Ukraine, scrambled a military helicopter to monitor aerial threats near its territory. This is not a one-off strike. Zelensky officially launched a 40-day pressure campaign against Russia just hours before the attack. This is day 1.